In the last lecture, we have seen how to normalize a context-free grammar by removing lambda production, then unit production, then useless production. So, what is the basic purpose of this normalization? The first thing is that we have to remove the redundancy out of this grammar and to make it optimum one. And after that, we have to represent this context-free grammar either in Chomsky normal form or in Graybeck normal form. Now, what is Chomsky normal form? It's basically a representation tool, representation format. So, CFG is said to be in Chomsky normal form or CNF if it has the following format. A to BC or A to small a, then that particular grammar is said to be in CNF, where A, B and C belongs to V, and small a belongs to T. Suppose if I write grammar A to BC and A to small x, and then A to ABC, A to small a small b. Now, are the grammars are in CNF? The first, this one is in obviously in CNF, this one in CNF, but this one is not CNF because we need either two variables, not three variables. So, if three variables are there, then we have to convert it to two variables format. Similarly, this one is also not in CNF. So, we have to convert this one as in CNF. Now, suppose given an example, convert the CFG in CNF . Now, here we find out that the first one is not in CNF obviously because it's a combination of two variable and one terminal symbol. This one is three terminal symbol, this one is one variable, one terminal symbol. None of them is in CNF. What is requirement? Requirement is that the right hand side must be two variable or one terminal symbols. Now, wherever mix up of two variables and terminal symbols are present, where we will convert all of them to a variables, and after that we will make it in a format of two variables format. Okay. Now, what I am doing that I am replacing this a with the variable va, v suffix a. This one is not v dot a. Now, what is va? Va is a. So, if I do this, then this one will become in CNF, but this one is not. Now, let us see. Now, this a will also change it to va. This one is va and this one is vb. Vb means vb is basically replacing small b only. Okay. Now, for capital B, I have capital A, then I will replace it with small vc. What is vc? Vc is small c. Now, after doing this, we can say that this one is in CNF, this one is in CNF, this one is in CNF, and this one is in CNF. These two we have to make it in CNF. Okay, fine. Now, let us write this one again. Now, this one A, B and VA, this B and VA I can replace it by another variable. Suppose this one is VD. So, if I replace this with VD, then VD will be B VA. Next VA to A, next A to I have VA, VA and VB. Now, out of these three variables, I can take any of the two variables and replace it with another variable. Now, which variable, which pair of variable I should take, VA, VA or VA, VB? Obviously, it should be VA, VB. That means heterogeneous types of variables we should take, not the homogeneous types of variable. So, if I take this one VA, VB and replace it by VE, suppose, where VE equal to VA, VB, then I have VB to B, B to A, VC and VC to C. So, now look at this, all the variables right now in CNF, all the variables right now in CNF. So, this is the answer. Now, let us check either what is GNF. SCFG is said to be in GNF if it is in the form A to AX, where A belongs to terminal symbol and X belongs to variable star. Multiple numbers of variables may present. Now, if I write S to AX, S to AA or S to AABC or S to AABC slash small d. Now, let us check which one is in GNF. This one is not in GNF, right? This one is not in GNF because it has two terminal symbol, but GNF format tells me that only one terminals will be there and any number of variables will be present. So, one terminal, one variable is there. So, this one is in GNF. One terminal, multiple variables are there. This one is in GNF. One terminal, multiple variables, but after that another terminals comes. So, this one is not in GNF. Another is that if I write only S to A, this one also will be in GNF. Now, let us see with an example. Now, this one, look at this one. Is this in GNF? No, because its two variables are there. This one is in GNF, this one is in GNF, this one is in GNF, this one is also in GNF. So, how to convert? The first one is in GNF. Let us see. So, let us replace this A with this productions. So, if I replace this A with this production, then it will become AAB, then this one will become E double B and this one will become BB, and this one will remain as same. So, now this one becomes in GNF, this one becomes in GNF and this one is obviously in GNF. Now, before whenever a question is given to you, convert it to either CNF or GNF, first of all you need to check that whether they are in normal form or not. If it is in normal form, then it is okay, otherwise you have to remove lambda production, unit production and useless production to make it normal form, and then you have to proceed for either CNF or GNF. So, now I am giving you one example. Now, my main motto is to convert it to CNF, right, but already it is not already in normal form. First we have to normalize it. Normalize the production means we have to remove first lambda production. So, remove lambda production. So, wherever lambda is present, A2 lambda and B2 lambda, we have to remove it. If I put A2 lambda, then it will become ABB. If I put B2 lambda, it will become ABA, and if I put A and B both are lambda, then it will become AB only. Now, here also BAB, if I put B equal to lambda, it will become BA. If I put capital B equal to lambda, then it will become BB. Now, for this B also, sorry, it should be BA, capital A. Then it will become BA, it will become AA. If it is BA, both are lambda, then it will become only small a, then A. My lambda is removed. Now, I remove unit production. Now, where are unit productions are available? First, identify that one. B2A is the only unit production. Now, wherever A appears, we have to replace this with B. Now, the unit production is being removed. Now, check that whether is there any useless productions are there or not. Now, how many variables are there? Let us identify. S is one variable, A is one variable, B is another variable. Okay, okay, these are the only variable. Now, S can be stopped, A can be initiated, and can A be stopped? I think A cannot be. Yes, A can be stopped using B only. If I take A to BB and B equal to small a, we can stop it. Even B also can be stopped. Even I think B also can be stopped, right? Yes, B also can be stopped. So, this is my so I can say that there is no useless variable. There is no useless variable. Now, remove this Chomsky. Now, wherever the combination of variable and terminal symbols are there, convert all of them to variable. So, this one first, this one convert it to VA, convert this one to VB, and these are AB, this one also VA, VB, then B, then this one is VA, VB, then A, this one is VA, VB. Okay. Now, take VA equal to A and then VB equal to B. Next, take this one as VB, VB, AB, then VB A, then VB B. This one as BA, VA, B, VA, A, VA. This one only single input, so I don't need to change it right now, because Chomsky normal form tells us that either it should be a two variable or a single terminals. So, VB AB, VB A, then VB B. Now here 4 variables are present. 4 variables are present. Now out of this 4 variable, take any 2 variables and convert it to a terminals. So VA VB is already there. I am taking VC here, and AB equal to I am taking VD. This one also VC and then B. This one is VC, then A, and this one will remain same. Now for this VC, what I can take, VC equal to VA VB, and this one will remain same, VA equal to A, then VB equal to B, and for this one already AB and VC is taken VA VB, and VD I have taken it as AB. So VB to B, and then this one A I can take it as VB then VD, because VD is already AB. This one is as VBA, this one is as VBB, and rest of the symbols let us write it down over here. This one, for this one what I am doing, that B2 BAVA. So for BAVA I can take AVA equal to VE. So I am taking this one as VE. Then BVA I am taking as BVA. BVA is not required because it's a 2 variables, right? Then AVA is not required, small a is not required. Then I have VBAB. So we have already taken AVA, na? So VBAB, AB already I have taken at VD. So I can take it as VB and then VD, then VBA and then VBB. So I have only taken one variable, that is for VE. So for VE I can easily replace it with AVA. So if I do this, you can find it out that all the productions now is being converted to Chomsky normal form. It becomes a little bit expanded, but the concept is simple. If you have multiple numbers of variables are there, then that case you can take to any one of the 2 and convert it to another variables, then it will become in CNF. But one thing you have to keep it in mind, that you have to first normalize it. Now let us check another problem. So in this case also, first of all we have to normalize it. First remove lambda production. Then if I put A equal to lambda, then it will become B only. AB will be there, and this one will be BBA, then BB. So lambda is being removed. Now we have to remove the unit production. So here the unit variable is only, unit production is there, S to B only. Now remove the unit production. So unit production is being removed. Then we have to check that whether there is any useless variables are present or not. So how many variables we have? Let us check this one first. S can be terminated, then A can be started from S, and then S also, A can also be terminated, and B also can be terminated. So there is no useless variables are there. Now convert it to CNF. So S to AB is already in CNF. This one converted to VAB, this one VBA, this one VB, and then VB. Now I have VA to A and then VB to B, A to VA, VB, and for B to VBA, then VB and VB. Next is S to AB slash VAB slash VB VC and then VB VC to, I have VB capital A, VA to A, VB to B, A to VA, VC, VA VB, na? VA VB we have not taken anything, I suppose. VA VB, VC we have taken, so VC VBA. Now VA VB we have to take something, that is VD. So what is VD? VD equal to VA VB, and for B we have to take VB, and VBA we have already taken, right? VBA we have already taken, that is VC, and then VB VB. Now all the productions now becomes in CNF. All the productions. Let us check it down. So all the productions now in CNF.